Hi there, students. Little did I know. Little did I know that it was going to rain all day when I planned the picnic for today. So we have this phrase, little did I know. Little did he know. You can change the I, you, he. Little did John know that. Okay, this says that there was information that you didn't know about when you made a decision, and something happened afterwards, or you got to know about it, and you would have made a different decision if you had known it was going to be like that. Whoa, that was pretty long-winded. Let's see. Little did I know that the company would go bankrupt when I bought shares in the company. So I didn't know that the company would go bankrupt, and I bought shares. So this is talking about information that the person gets after they've made a decision, and this information means that the situation is a bad situation. It's a negative situation. Little did she know when she married him that he was an alcoholic. He was a violent alcoholic. If she had known, she wouldn't have married him. Yeah? Little did I know. When I stood on the piece of wood, little did I know that there was a nail sticking up. I wouldn't have stepped on it if I had known. Little did I know. Yeah. It's also nearly always in the past with a did. Yeah. So little did I know that everybody would bring a cake to the party, because I also brought a cake to the party, and there were 25 cakes for 25 people. I shouldn't have brought one. It's just one too many. Okay, so this is saying that you regret doing something, and you did it because there was a piece of information that you didn't know. Yeah, and you would have done something different. Little did he know how difficult it was to learn good English when he started. He thought, this is going to be easy, this is not going to be a problem at all. But little did he know about the difficulties and intricacies of the English language. Okay, so this is saying you made a bad choice in the past because you lacked information. There was something that you didn't know. Little did I know that the price of houses was going to drop radically this year when I bought my house last year. If I'd known, I wouldn't have done it. Okay, so little did I know that. That is optional, yeah? And it's little did I know I would arrive late. Little did I know that I would arrive late. Okay, so that is optional. And notice the bad thing that you didn't know is always with would. So it's talking about, this would is talking about the future from a perspective of the past. Yeah? So I didn't know this would happen. Little did I know this would happen. Little did John know that he was going to be robbed, or he wouldn't have taken the money out of the bank. Okay? So little did somebody know, or another verb as well, little did he expect that it would rain today. Okay, so it rained today, but he didn't expect it. Little did I imagine that this was going to happen. I've used a was going to, that this would happen. Yeah, you can also use was going to instead of would. Little did I know that the property market was going to drop. Yeah, that the property market would drop. So use either would or was going to in the second part. Yeah, and you're expressing regret at doing something because you would have made a different choice had you known, if you had known. Okay, so little did he know that COVID was going to break out, and he opened a very expensive restaurant, having borrowed a lot of money, and then he got into trouble. Yeah. So when he opened the expensive restaurant, little did he know that, COVID would break out, that COVID was going to break out. Okay, so there you go. An explanation of this phrase, little did I know, little did they know, little did they imagine, little did they think. Okay, so there you go. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Little did I know.